Namaste children, I am Smita, your English teacher from Mangala Vidya Mandira. Class 6 Standard, Subject English. In today's class, let us learn a lesson called as How do bees make honey? So Unit 3 Prose, How do bees make honey? Honey is a wonderful food one can have, isn't it? We all know that honey is produced by honey bee, which is four-winged insect. So honey has excellent health benefits. You all might remember your mother providing honey mixed with lemon whenever you have cough, or when you have sore throat or digestive problems, your mother provides you honey, isn't it? So you should remember that honey is a great healer for many health problems. So in today's lesson, let us learn how honey is made. So concentrate on the words as I read. Honey is the oldest sweet used by people. It is a natural sugar made by bees. It contains sugar, proteins, iron and calcium. We can digest honey very easily. It calms a cough and soothes a sore throat. It is also known for its ability to kill bacteria. So honey is a natural sugar. It is sweet, isn't it? It has various nutrients like proteins, iron, calcium, etc. So honey is also a cough remedy. It also kills the harmful bacteria that is present in our body. Let us now learn about making honey. Honey making is not very simple. Honey bees start the honey making process by visiting flowers and collecting nectar. They gather nectar in the spring when most flowers and plants are in bloom. They use their long tube-like tongues to suck the nectar out of the flowers. Now how honey is made? Honey bees goes to different flowers and they collect nectar. Nectar is a sugar-rich liquid within the flowers. Okay, mostly in the springtime, all flowers blossom, and during that time, honeybees collect the nectar by using their tube-like or straw-like tongue. You know, they also collect pollen on their legs. Okay. They store the nectar in their stomachs or honey sacs and carry it to the beehive. While inside the bee's stomach for about half an hour, the nectar mixes with the proteins and enzymes produced by the bees. The nectar is thus converted into honey. The bees then drop the honey into the honeycombs, that is hexagonal cells made of wax produced by the bees. The bees repeat the process until the combs are full. Now the nectar which is collected, they store it in their stomach called honey sac, and it is carried to the beehive. Beehive is a house made by the honeybees using straw, wood, etc. Okay, so about 2000 or more than that honeybees live in the beehive. After they collect nectar from the flowers, these honeybees store the nectar in the stomach for about half an hour, where the nectar mixes with the proteins and enzymes produced by them. Thus, a nectar is converted to honey. The honey is dropped to honeycomb, which is hexagonal cells. Honeycombs are hexagonal cells made of wax by the bees. Hexagon has 6 sides, isn't it? So they are the hexagonal cells made of wax by the bees. Thus the honeycomb will be filled with honey. To prepare for long-term storage, the bees fan their wings to evaporate and thicken the honey. It is note, nectar has 80% water and honey has only about 14 to 18% water. When this is done, the bees cap the honeycomb with wax and move on to the next empty comb. So in a nutshell, the honey we eat is nectar that honeybees have collected, regurgitated and dehydrated to enhance its nutritional properties. Okay children, now the bees fan the wings, means they flap their wings to make the honey thick. Now nectar has 80% water, but honey 14 to 18% water. Now after thickening the honey bees, they cover the honeycomb with wax, and then they move to the next empty honeycomb. So honey is nothing but nectar honey bees have collected. Regurgitated means bringing it back to the mouth, and dehydrated, and thickens it to improve its nutritional value. Honeybees are divided as house bees and field bees. The house bees keep the houses clean and well ventilated. They build new combs to store honey. Field bees are older bees. They go away from the house. Their job is to search for nectar. Now, honeybees are divided as house bees and field bees. House bees, as the name itself says, they keep the house clean and they build honey combs to store the honey. Whereas field bees are older bees and they go in search of nectar. You can also categorize the honeybees as queen bee, worker bee, and drones. Okay, there is one queen bee who creates babies or honeybees. The worker bees are female, okay, but they do not breed. The drone bees are male bees, but they do not have sting. Okay, so worker bees also take care of the other bees and the queen in the beehive. Honey bees do not live long. At the time of honey gathering season, they work very hard. As a result, a honey bee does not live longer than a month. Around 2000 bees die every day in the honey making hive. The queen bee lays eggs and she maintains the population of the hive. Now, honey bees, they don't live for longer period. What do? They work very hard during the honey collecting time and they do not live for more than a month. So around 2000 bees, they die every day in the beehive. So as I told you, queen bee, it lays eggs, isn't it? And it maintains the population of the beehive. Okay, so I hope you have understood the lesson, children. So this lesson not only gives us information about honey bees, it also shows how hardworking the honey bees are. Okay, they keep working until they die, isn't it? So we also learn how they function in an organized manner. So children, let us also be organized and hardworking like honey bees and also savor honey for all its health benefits. That's all in today's class, children. Let us go to the homework part. Homework is draw or paste a picture of honey bee and write about the work of queen bee, worker bee and drone. So collect additional information about them. So complete the homework and send it through WhatsApp. Thank you, children.